Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how royalties are taxed in Italy. So if you are a writer or a self-publisher, for example, or a software developer, a painter, basically a creator of an intellectual property, well, you might want to sell it and you want to give the right of usage or sell the license to somebody which will exploit your creation for commercial purposes. So, if you are an Italian fiscal resident and this is your situation, then let's see how you should tax this income.
The royalties in Italy falls in the ordinary RPF progressive taxation, as we see in here, and it starts from 23% up to 43% based on your income. Of course, the royalties automatically they will be added to your existing income if you have a certain income in Italy. For example, if you're an employee, you have a certain income that falls in RPF taxation, and then royalties will be added to it. But we have a specific difference for this kind of income. So the royalties have a standard deduction based on the age. What does it mean? It means that you will have 40% deduction on your royalties income if you are less than 35 years old. So it means that 60% of your income will be added to the RPF progressive taxation and 40% will be excluded from taxes. So it would be tax-free. 25% otherwise. Of course, it means that if you are older than 35 years, then you will be able to have tax-free only 25%. And 75 instead would be added to your existing eventual IRPEF. So ideally, if you're moving to Italy, if you become an Italian fiscal resident and you have only income from royalties, then your fiscal pressure will be a little bit lower, because in this table I took into account also the deduction. So I basically recalculate the tax brackets, take into account the deduction if you are less than 35 years old, if you're bigger, if you're older than 35 years old. And here it comes. So as you can see, it's quite favorable, especially if you're younger. But if this is not your only income, then you cannot take into account this table, because the remaining part, that 60% or that 75%, will be added to your existing income. And you have to recalculate your fiscal pressures based on the sum of your existing income plus the royalties.
In addition, when you perceive royalties, there is no social contribution to pay. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget that you always need to validate fiscal topics and configure this type of income as royalties with a certified local accountant. And to help you to do that, just join to our Facebook group, where you can find tax advisors and accountants that might also help you to filling up your tax file return in Italy. You will find the link in the description below the video, and please subscribe the channel to be always updated with Italian fiscal laws. Thank you, see you the next time.